the other day my phone started dinging, and it was somebody I work with who lives in the same town as me, asking me if I wanted her old cordless Dyson, which they've been using for in the car. They don't want it anymore. As far as they're concerned, I'm just saving it from the bin. So, let's have a look today at a very well used Dyson DC35. Oh, it gets a little bit better because they also gave me a couple of tools, look. So let's have a look. Yes, hello my vacuum cleaner chums, how are you today? What was once the pinnacle of cordless vacuum cleaning, Dyson's flagship model, now reduced to being thrown away because they're okay. You have a maximum and a minimum. They are what they are, really. I still think they make good little dustbusters. Really, we have ourselves a not too trash filter, actually, considering they willingly told me this was in their garage and had been for some time, so that's not bad. And yes, this is what's really making this worth doing. We have ourselves a wand, very important there. We have a wall charging bracket and charger. I presume they work. I see no reason why not. They have a habit of breaking at various points in their lives, but hey ho. We have the, although it's got the wrong adapter on it, the dusting tool, the nice one as well. We have the crevice tool, the mini air driven. Wow! Turbo head. Oh dear, I haven't thought about this, have I? Ah, this is actually the adapter that we need for this. Look, there we go. It's a very nice tool, this. Very nice indeed. I do have one kicking around somewhere and continue using it on my V11 really. But here's the other adapter. Here's the combo tool. And here is the floor head with its Mark 1 first generation brush roll there. And yeah, basically if I had the manual I would have a complete Dyson DC35. This is probably a good £350 worth of high-end swanky clobber back in its day. Does any of it work? Well, we know the machine does. I mean, we don't need to look at the straight suction tools. I guess what we really need to do is put the wand onto the absolutely filthy floor tool. This is the same floor head that my Dyson DC46 comes with, although it's an air driven version, whereas this is unfairly, yeah, these are mains powered, well not mains powered, battery powered, but this is the same design, very short lived design, because obviously they then launched the V6 which had a completely different setup. It runs! Oh, feel the power. I know what we can do. Ew, somebody else's dirt. This probably isn't going to do very well. Oh, not bad. Bit of max mode. Oh, the rush valve stopped. Got it all up, not too bad. One thing I am noticing though is there's a lot of movement in here. My V11 still does this, although it's a bit better since I had an entirely main body under warranty. Oh, so yeah, bit of a pain there. It's actually inside this bit I think that goes, because it all wears out. But what we ostensibly have is just a nice, quick, simple refurb job, really. I have no reason to believe the battery doesn't work quite well. I shall give it a full charge and test as and when I get to that stage. But yeah, for now, certainly, all this needs to be done. Oh God, look, there's all the bits. Oh blimey, they have improved this. Let's not beat about the bush. Marvellous. So yeah, one before video of a Dyson DC35. Hopefully the next time we see this it will be looking and working a whole lot better. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed, and I and this Dyson will see you soon. Bye bye.